Ramkrishna, this is next level part of the language. So now basically assume that basically some big earthquake basically happened in India, or basically some big earthquake basically happened in Mumbai, some big earthquake basically happened in Bangalore, some big earthquake basically happened in Vadodara city basically. So Sunil Arna told that basically, अरे भाई मेरा तो कुछ है नहीं basically, I don't have anything basically in my name basically. So that is basically positive or negative basically. So one person told that इसको positive ले या negative ले basically, because the land, the buildings basically, the flats basically which are having basically in Ahmedabad basically, there is nothing of Sunil basically. Sunil Arnar basically visited Bangalore also basically. There also the software companies basically. So one of the person told like take only name of software companies basically. So here I will take only the name of software company, but they are controlled by someone. That I have taken the example of Ahmedabad group basically. That Ahmedabad owner basically was controlled by that group basically. And he told that basically he is not supposed to get the job. So we connected up to this level basically. That is this group basically told, and they processed the data basically that Sunil Arnar basically is not supposed to get the job because his interview was fine. More than 3 hours basically he has taken the interview, and suddenly basically that means basically it was planned basically. Suddenly basically nothing happens basically. That always believe it basically. Everything is planned. So the Ahmedabad interview basically was supposed to get job, not supposed to get job was planned basically by Ahmedabad Land Group. In this basically we will take entire Ahmedabad Land Group only basically. Why? Because it's a union basically. One person has not given the job, that means basically it's a union basically. And that's the union of software company groups who are basically controlled by this human souls created group basically, or maintaining group basically. That is the 700 crore people basically whose data is basically getting maintained in that Tamil Nadu nuclear power plant, and that is basically getting reflected to directly to the 20 crore upcoming child which is going to happen in future. So in next videos.